You need to invest hours tending beautiful indoor plants. In fact, some species require minimal care and yet look as good as grown by a plant expert. If you too want to know their names, watch till the end. Lucky bamboo. Lucky bamboo is not bamboo, but a plant belonging to the Dracaena genus. It is one of the easiest indoor plants to take care of. Just provide it with abundant water and it'll grow even in indirect light. Jade plant. When grown indoors, the jade plant attains size like a small shrub. Keep the plant in a spot that receives partial or indirect sunlight. This plant is extremely tolerant to poor soils, and its thick leaves and stems act as water reservoirs. Ponytail palm. The ponytail palm is not really a palm, but a succulent from the lily family. It is known as elephant's foot because of its swollen trunk, which is due to water storage. Pothos. One of the most popular houseplant, golden pothos, has yellow-green heart-shaped leaves. It thrives in the hardest of conditions and tolerates drought and moisture. Snake plant. Also called mother-in-law's tongue, the snake plant is extremely drought-resistant. Enough to be the one to keep in your house if you forget to water. ZZ plant. ZZ plant is a tropical plant native to Eastern Asia. The leaves of the ZZ plant are strong and glossy and look somewhat like those of zinnias. The plant requires only little light and almost appreciates all types of environments. Spider plant. The popularity of this plant is due to its toughness and ease of propagation and maintenance. The plant can adapt to almost any condition. Umbrella tree. Very common in offices and homes, this beautiful tropical tree becomes a low-care and tall houseplant when grown indoors. Aloe. Plants from the aloe genus are robust and hassle-free houseplants that grow easily in pots. With slight care, you can grow one for many years. Keep the plant on a sunny windowsill. Peace lily. Peace lily looks elegant with graceful curving leaves and stately white bracts that rise from the dark foliage. It tolerates low light and prefers moist soil. You can even place it in a bathroom or rooms with fewer windows. Dumb cane. Perfect for those looking for easy houseplants adapted to low light. Diffenbrachias grow well in shade. Keep the soil evenly moist and well drained, and maintain a moderate room temperature. Fiddle-leaf fig. Fiddle-leaf fig is a tough and one of the easiest houseplants. Its large leathery foliage and height create a statement in a drawing room. Rubber tree. A natural air purifier, the rubber tree is an excellent and easy-to-grow houseplant. Besides occasional pruning and repotting, the maintenance of rubber trees is simple. Cast iron plant. One of the easiest plants you can grow, cast iron plant withstands neglect, low light, low humidity, and a wide range of temperatures. Philodendron. Philodendrons are one of the common houseplants you can grow. There are several charming varieties, so you can easily find one that suits your style. These plants require moderate watering and prefer dry soil between watering sessions. Chinese evergreen. Chinese evergreen can grow without direct sunlight and requires little to no maintenance. It is one of the best specimens for indoor offices and bedrooms to invite greenery without much fuss. English ivy. English ivy is commonly grown outdoors, but growing ivy indoors is possible. As a houseplant, ivy is very easy to maintain. Choose a beautiful planter that'll complement it. Hoya. With beautiful waxy foliage and fragrant flowers, Hoya looks beautiful. It has a low water requirement and doesn't mind if you forget to water. Inch plant. It has beautiful trailing vines and attractive foliage. Grow it in a pot or hanging basket. You can also keep this plant in dim light, but the markings on the foliage will fade. Peperomia. The heart-shaped glossy foliage of peperomia makes it a fantastic choice for house owners, while the low-maintenance nature adds to the pros. Parlor palm. Apart from its easy-growing nature, parlor palm actively purifies the air by removing formaldehyde, benzene, and carbon monoxide from the atmosphere. So there you have it, a collection of the easiest houseplants that are low care and forgiving. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or just starting out, these plants will thrive in your home with minimal effort. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe.